Please receive instructions. Here we go with round one. Money comes out. Beautiful right hand. Beautiful right cross. Blue trying to come right at him. And landed a right left there for the moment. Landed a left hand and a right. Good right hand. That may have stunned him. And it may have stunned his man for the moment. Landing another shot. Going well right now. The referee made a mistake. I didn't think the round was over that quickly. Beautiful right hand by Money. Waiting for him to rip that left hand to the body. Blue trying to pull his way in there. Money threw a right. His opponent countered with a right.
I gave him three soon as he said that.
Into round one. Here we go with round two. Beautiful left hand. Landed by Money. Blue trying to pull his way in there. Money is using his reach well. Landed another right hand. He's able to hit his man where his man really cannot hit him. Beautiful uppercut. May have stunned him for the moment. His opponent is hurt. Money's just taking his time. Money doesn't need to throw that lead right hand like that. Beautiful jab. Both guys traded on that exchange. Money got the better of the exchange. Money's overshooting his opponent. He can land to the body. Right hand seems like it may have landed. Beautiful left hand afterwards. Oh, the left hand that stunned him after the round. Blue is stunned and he knows he's way behind. Beautiful right hand to open up the third round. Lewis trying to crowd him. Money trying to bull his way around. Big Blue. He's trying to get Money to buy into fighting his fight. All Money has to do is just stay to the outside, land some nice combinations. Beautiful combos landed by Money again. Nice uppercut land.
From Selma, California,
Caught red coming, caught blue coming in with that beautiful left hand. Chopping right hand by blue. Money has to get him off of him. End of the round closing. Money did a very good job. Should have won this one very easily. His opponent knows that he lost.
bout number 9.